Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate D-latch, schematic and verification using Cadence Virtuoso. Let's start the design. Press I means instance. Here, browse the library. You can find GPDK90. Click on it. In the cell, select NMOS1V. Click on symbol. Here, make the total width to 1 mu. Sorry. As well as finger width. Click on hide. Use R to rotate NMOS. By pressing the R, you can rotate. You can see that it rotating. See. I'm taking PMOS now. Make the total width to 2 mu. Press R to rotate it upwards. Make the connections. For wire, press W. Connect the substrate to VDD terminal. Here I am taking inverter. Design an inverter. For ports, press P. In D latch, clock and D are the inputs. D and clock. Enable. Let's take an enable. For outputs, change the direction. Q bar. I'm going to take wire names. Here, sorry. Here and here. And as well as VDD, VSS. This is Q and this is Q bar. Press on check and save. Here I got 0 warnings and 0 errors and 1 warning. You can see this wire is not connected. Delete it. Press check and save. We can see there is no error and no warnings. We need to create this as symbol. For that, cell view, create cell view. From cell view, click on OK. We need to customize our symbol. I'm going to take left pin as D and EN, enable. Right pin as outputs. Top pin as VDD. Bottom pin as VSS. As we can see, this is my symbol of D latch. Check and save. We need to test this D latch. For that, we need to create another cell. Go to Cadence Library Manager, Files, New, Cell View. Change the name as TB. Click on OK. Press I. Browse the library. Click VLSA. Whatever you created the library. Here, we created a symbol. Click on it and paste it here. We need to apply input signals through analog lib libraries. Browse analog lib library. In that, search vpulse. This is the input signal we have to give. 20 period 40 nanoseconds. connect it. Take voltage source, VDC, connect it here. We need to change these V1 parameters. For that, set this V1 and press Q. I'm going to change this 20 and 10. Click on OK. Search GND for ground. Connect it. And to change the parameters of V2, set V2, press Q. Make the DC voltage to 2 volts. And we need to verify the outputs. For that, we need to add output pins. For that, I'm going to take Q and Q bar. I want to check and save. We can see there is no error found. We need for the results, click on launch, set ADL. In analysis, right click on it, edit. I'm gonna give 100 nanoseconds stop time. Select modulate, click OK. In outputs, right click on it, edit. Expression from schematic. I'm gonna take only inputs. My input is D and enable, and outputs are Q bar. Go to versus analysis tab and netlist and run. We can see when the clock is applied, whatever the D input is given, the output is same as the input. When D given is when D given as 1, Q is 1, Q bar is 0. When the clock is given, sorry, clock enable is given. Thank you.